let's find out if Tesla can take my clothes to the cleaners. In the near future, I'll be able to just grab my dirty clothes, throw them on the chair, and then put the address and the navigation, set it for, hey, cleaners. All right. Ideally, the garage will be still closed before I activate the car and send it on its way. In this case, I'm opening the garage and I'm going to put it into drive. So now car is in the drive. Let me actually adjust my wheel. Let it turn a little bit. I don't think it'll matter. Car will just adjust anyway. The garage will close as we leave the garage, so you'll be able to see that maybe in the mirrors. Anyway, I'm activating it and let's go to the cleaners. Drop my clothes off at the cleaners. Yep, left. Okay, here we go. The garage closed? Yep, garage is closed. I will record it to add the garage did close. All right, so autopilot, FST, full self-driving, supervised, because I am for now supervising, is taking us to the cleaners. Yeah, so far, great job. Wait, there is a car. I'm gonna go around it or right through it. Yep. Hello there, neighbor. Yep, we're going. Nicely done. So let's see if this is a zero disengagement drive. So ideally the car goes to the cleaners, then once it arrives there, I don't know if I can just maybe like call the cleaners and tell them, hey, my car just dropped off the clothes, can you open the door, grab the dirty clothes. So I don't have to go, right? I got stuff to do. I'm working out, I don't know, just doing stuff. All right, I'm gonna expand this so you can see what Tesla can see. It's pretty awesome actually to look at. So here we go, the lights just changed. Car is just doing its thing. Yeah, no problem. So far so good. Speed is adjusting. Right on track. Alright, this is fantastic. So here we are. Yes, I am here. NHITS is letting Tesla know, hey, you need to be paying attention when you're using the FSD. Yes, I am paying attention. No problem. All right, so I mean, so far nothing crazy. There was a stop sign, there were traffic lights, another set of traffic lights. Oh, the lights were changing and we are braking. I guess this braking was a little bit more aggressive than I would like it to be, but Tesla is working on a newer version of FSD. We have V12.3.4. I know the good amount of, I don't know if it's like a 10% of the fleet, 10% of the fleet is currently running on 12.3.5. That hasn't been rolled out to the wider audience just yet, and they have newer versions in the works. All right, yes, I'm paying attention. We're gonna merge here. There's a car behind us. We're gonna do a little blinker to let them know we would like to merge. No blinker. They're just gonna have to trust us on this one. Okay. I mean, we're merging, but a little blinker would have been nice. Okay. So going straight, there is a little construction going on straight ahead. I don't think any new work is happening at the moment. But we're going. Alright, no problem. Yep, I am here. So the drive is going. So this area normally is 45 miles per hour. because of the construction, they'll lower the speed limit to 35. I guess Tesla picked it up because for a while now it's been using 35. Even though as I entered this road, there were no signs saying that it is 35. So somehow Tesla knows this from previous drives. It's very interesting. All right. Yes, I am paying attention. I am definitely getting more. Tesla's nagging me a little bit more to pay attention. Okay. I am not holding the steering wheel, as you can see. I just want to show that I'm not holding in the cars, making the maneuvers, adjusting speeds, changing lanes. All right, traffic lights coming up. I'm going to start slowing down. My feet are not on the pedals, but I am here ready to take over if need be. Okay. Ooh, Zaxby's is open now. Some customers. All right. So far, so good. I do have 2 magnets in the back of my car saying I am probably not driving, which is accurate, and a robo-taxi in training, which is also accurate. The question is the car behind me aware of this? And do they trust those magnets versus me just messing with them? Alright, I'm gonna just grab the steering wheel for a moment. Alright, just regular drive to drop the laundry. Alright, so far so good. Well, looks rough over there on that car. Okay, here we go. There's going to be another traffic light. I'm going to go under the overpass. There's a highway right here. Changing lanes, yes. Okay, maneuver because we will be getting into the right lane, turning right later on. Alright, we're following the speed limits, everybody else going slightly faster because human drivers versus, autopilot, full self-driving. But I love the argument how everybody says how the full self-driving is not safe. Yet everybody else around me is speeding, potentially checking their phones, eating, and doing God knows what. Hey, we've all done it, unfortunately. Alright, so here we are. Setting up the blinker, turning signal, getting the right lane. Okay, question is, will the car park on its own? I have not experienced any parking maneuvers yet by my car. Ooh, yes. It's pretty good. Alright, I am not expecting it to park. I mean, no, pretty awesome. So we are here. Okay. And we have arrived. Alright, perfect. So this is the time where I let my my cleaners know to grab the stuff from the car. That's it. Alright, so car parked on its own. Cleaners grabbed dirty clothes. They closed the door, and then they informed me that I can retrieve my car. So I remotely engage car so it can come back to me. And here we are. We are engaged to go back home. Yep. Now I don't know how it will do. It has to do a U-turn to actually get back home. I haven't done any U-turns that I can recall just yet. We can go, guys. There's 3 lanes. Alright, there's a U-turn right there. Alright, let's see how it does. Alright, switching lanes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's open it up. So far, so good. Now a nice U-turn coming up. Ooh. Yeah, you can do it. The car is telling me that it cannot perform the maneuver. Come on, you can do it. Is this guy going left? Yeah, he's going left. Okay, I'm going. Thank you. Alright. So there was a little bit of a confidence thing. Car was saying I will need to take over, but I didn't. I didn't have to. And the car is returning back to the home base. Oh, yeah, did you guys see that? So there was a little bit of a car was thinking, okay, are we slowing down? Are we going? Are we slowing down? Are we going? We're going. That was good. It was good and proper way of going through this light. I mean, there wouldn't be enough time to stop. Okay, here we are going. Yes, I am here. I'm paying attention. The lights are changing. You will be slowing down. Yeah, this is good. Okay. How are we going? How are we doing? Doing good. Yep. A little busy. Lots going on. Oh, see, that car says, I'm gonna go around you. Yes, sir. I don't know why there's a right lane over here. They could set it up so cars can get into the right lane and then turn right. But you know what? No. It makes sense, doesn't it? I feel like I should call the city and be like, are you guys serious? Okay. We are going straight. There are lights over there are red. The car gonna approach, and we're slowing down since we cannot cross just yet. You know, for everyone telling me how other automakers have more superior full self-driving technology, show me a Honda, a Toyota, a Ford, a Chevy, a Mercedes, which is level 3 car that can do this. You know, the only difference between this whole drive here is that I get these nags that ask me, the driver, to verify I am here, I am supervising the car is doing all these maneuvers. No mistakes so far, and everything is happening as it should be, but the government just keeps an eye on Tesla and make sure that they are doing what they're supposed to be doing. I wonder if, as the system improves and performs better with the newer version, will the government allow Tesla to stop and eliminate those nags? Yeah, I might be annoying some people because I'm going slow, but they're just gonna have to live with this. You know, it's kind of nice to see Teslas everywhere. They are literally everywhere now. Tesla behind me, there were just 2 Teslas right there. I have camera footage from yesterday. There were just, it was like 1 minute, there were just Teslas everywhere. It's hilarious. And it's the future. Okay, here we are going. Just heading home. Slowly but surely. Okay, so the lights changed over there. Question is, will we change the lanes? Will we move to the right lane, middle lane, or remain in the same lane we are in right now? Yeah? Come on. Give me the right lane. Oh, come on, Tesla. people behind me go? Okay, never mind. Here we are. Just taking our sweet time. Yep. Change lanes maneuver. Performed successfully. We will be changing lanes again because we have a right turn coming up. Yep. Well done. And here we go. We are staying within the speed limit. Yep, it's 35 because of the construction. We are paying attention and we continue. Alright, it's pretty good. Uneventful. Right. Yeah, there's somebody following us closely. I know speed limit normally is 45, everybody goes 50, and we're going 39, which is slightly annoying. I totally get it. But, you know, don't want to be speeding too much. Yep. There's a blinker. We're going to go into the right lane. And that was a very well done maneuver here, turning right. That was good. Yep, traffic lights. Okay, yeah, we doing it by the book so far. By the book. Just, you know, interesting. Like, we're merging left here, but it's like we shouldn't be. It's not set up to be merging left. Like, the right lane should be it. But there's no signage, and there are no markings on the road that would let Tesla know that the right lane is going to be merged into. I wonder if that's something that the car has to figure out or remember down the road or something. It's interesting. Yep. Going left. Yep. Speed limit is 25. Are we going to go all the way to 28, or we're going to go slowly just because there could be kids? The car does a good job actually of going slower. No. Yeah. A little blind spot. There's a car here. Maybe there's a kid running around. Alright, we'll accelerate because it's open view. We can see very well what is happening around. There's a car right there, so we're going to slow down. Well, here we are. Now, the garage is going to open. And I am here. 100% no problem. We've arrived. Autopilot navigation complete. Okay, what, you gonna do something? Oh, look, the steering wheel is turning. Turning. What are you trying to do? Alright. We have arrived. And I'm going to just back into the garage. And we are here. So, can my Tesla drop my laundry off for me and then return home? It's a yes. It can. I mean, if there were no limitations, it could do the whole drive there and back. Well, it's coming. Thank you for watching.
Hit like and subscribe for more content like this.